Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to create a newsletter series on Substack. Now here's how to create a newsletter series on Substack web app. The first thing you need to do is to log into your Substack account. So open www.substack.com in your web browser and click on login in the top right corner and enter your credentials. That's it. Once logged in, you'll be taken to this page, which is your home page or your dashboard, where you can manage your content. The next step is to assess content creation options. How do you do that? Click on the plus icon in the left navigation menu, which we have here, to create a new post. So once you click on that and you have two options presented, note and long form post. So from these options presented, select long form post to create a new newsletter entry in your series. The first step is to enter a title for your post that reflects the theme of your series. Enter that here. I currently don't have anything in mind. Then the next thing is to add a subtitle, which could either be a meta description, just anything that just makes your newsletter stand out. The next step is the body of the newsletter. So write the content for your newsletter. Use the formatting toolbar, which is at the top corner, to highlight your content and use the formatting toolbar to customize your text with headings, bullet points, images, links, videos, just as needed. Now, if you want to categorize this post as part of a series, consider adding a specific tag in the content or within the post settings. Now, this helps readers identify it as part of a larger collection of related content. Once your content is ready, you have the option to preview the content to see how it's going to look to your audience or to your readers. And once you're done, select continue, and it takes you to the next step where you can now publish or schedule for a later date. To schedule, just go ahead and click on the schedule option and choose your desired date and time. For subsequent entries in your series, repeat the steps to ensure you maintain a consistent title format. Example, your title could be Series 1, that's series title as Part 1 or Part 2. Just make it clear to your audience that these posts are interconnected. Then after that, share the first post in your series via Substack newsletters, social media, or other platforms to attract readers. Go ahead and encourage subscribers to look forward to future installments by mentioning the upcoming post in your series. After publishing your series, interact with your readers through the comment section or replies to emails. These can help build community and keep them engaged with your content. These steps will guide you in creating a newsletter series on Substack. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you are done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.